Hey guys, and welcome to TJ Tech. I, like many of you, drink coffee, and when I'm working, I tend to make a nice cup of coffee, and while I'm working, I might forget about it, or I drink it over a few hours, and so it tends to get cold. What I'm unboxing today is a cup warmer which connects to your laptop so that when you're drinking your coffee and you're working on your computer, your coffee doesn't get cold. This particular one is shaped like a cupcake, which is pretty cool, and the name is Freshly Baked. It's kind of cool. It's made by a company called Mustard, and let's get right into it. So, pretty straightforward unboxing. What else do we have here inside? We have some literature, and that's really about it. As expected, it looks exactly like a cupcake. It's got a little wire here. The wire is the old style of USB, made in China, whatever, and it's got a 1 amp output, so can plug into practically any USB port or your iPhone charger or your Samsung charger, so on. So it should work with all of those. Let's have a look. Let's connect this and see how it works. So it said that it works with all computers, Macs and PCs. It really gives you no indication whether it's working or not, but it's plugged in. And that's really about it. You just have to kind of wait, I guess, for it to start warming up. First thing I noticed is that it's a little small. Ooh, it is warming up. It's a little small. This mug is obviously a little bigger than the cupcake warmer or the cup warmer. Yeah, it's getting warm. And you're good to go for a nice cup of hot or warm coffee so that it doesn't get cold. Surface can get very hot, ideal for flat bottom mugs or metal cups. So I got this for around €30 when I was traveling around somewhere in France, and I'm sure you can order it online from their website, so I'll have all the links in the description below. One thing to note with this cup warmer is obviously that if you're on the go, this is going to start sucking up the battery of your computer. Do factor that in if you're not plugged in. In this case, I'm not, but it doesn't affect it too much, I hope, because it's just like charging a phone. Thank you guys for watching this really quick and short unboxing of something a little different. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the TJ Tech channel. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a good one.